I don't know how well you guys could see, but that river is super wavy. Holy crap. Oh, damn trees. Oh man, feel that wave shaking my truck too. Not sure how well you guys could see that sand. Oh shit. Holy smokes. And then look at those waves, man. Damn. Oh man. Kind of hoping to see a sunset tonight, but it's too cloudy. See a little bit of an orange sky in the distance, but damn. This parking lot is a mess right now. Look at those waves. Ah, look at that sign. Not sure how well you guys can see that. Man. Yeah, look at that sign. Oh my gosh. Alright, I gotta get out of the way. Shit. Jeez, man. That is insane. Oh, all the lights just came on. That is insane, man. Oh man, this wind is really shaking my truck. I got a Facebook Live going right now. Oh boy. I might have to leave my hat in here because if I step out, my hat's going to go flying. So, leave that in here. I'll leave my live stream going, but I'm going to have my other phone with me to record. So, hopefully my live stream does not knock over. Make sure I'm not locked in. Oh, crap. If I can open my door, well, we're going to try it. Flew out of my hands. Man, that wind is really something. I should have put a coat on before I went out, but man. Holy smokes. It's still shaking my truck too, man. Man, where is Reed Timmer or Ben Holcomb when you need them? I'm just playing. I'm playing. Alright. Alright, I think we got away from most of the sand. Man, that was insane. Boy, that was cool to see, but at the same time, I really hope that didn't scratch up the paint on my truck the way that sounded.